Okay, these are blinds. This is the rebuilding center where I've been working for a few hours. Hi. I'm gonna try not to get any people in because I don't have permission to have people in it. But these are cupboards that I'm sorting. You can see there all kinds of tabletops, countertops, the wall of cupboards. This is my junk pile. Been going through it. There's some broken glass right there. You can see how it's sharp. It's too close. Sorry. I have to throw all that away, or excuse me, we have to recycle it. These are cupboards. More and more of them. Some of them have hinges and some of them do not. But yeah, that's what I've been doing.